Introduction. Dear friends, do you know that how a small child becomes an adult? Let us know how do we grow during the various stages of our life. Objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to define what is growth, describe the various stages of growth of a child. As we know that every living thing usually increases in its size. This increment of length or mass, weight, is called growth. Dear friends, do you see the girl in here? She is Moni. Do you know that she can crawl but she cannot walk? This is called infancy stage. Look, she can now walk with the help of some support. She can now play with her toys. Now Moni has grown up. You can see that she can walk easily without any help or support. Here you can see that she is riding on a tricycle. She is happy. She can make tower of blocks. It is her early childhood stage. Friends, look, Moni is now going to the school. She is grown up now. In the evening, she rides on her bicycle. She also likes to watch cartoon movie and comedy shows in the television. This is her mid-childhood stage. Now Moni can run very fast and jump without any support. She is a fearless girl. She is learning to dance and skate. She is also playing with her friends in the playground. This is her late childhood stage. After some time, Moni will again grow up and look similar to her elder sister. You will easily observe some more changes in her body. This stage is called adolescence. In this stage, we can easily identify a boy and a girl by their respective features. There are so many changes that occur during the growth process in our body. These changes make us what we are. Hence, they make us look different from others. Summary. Let us now summarize what we have learned so far. Every living thing grows and changes in its size. Infancy stage, early childhood, mid-childhood, late childhood, and adolescence are the growth stages of a child. People look different because they are growing.